Hey guys, I'm Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a easy backpack out of jeans pants. Yes, I'm back again, the straw pants. Anyways, yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, you don't care. Anyways, if you want to see how I make the bag, just continue watching. Add me on Snapchat and Instagram and subscribe because you know it's free and that would be really nice if you subscribe. Like the video if you liked it and comment down below what kind of videos you would like to see for the 2019. I already have some videos planned, but tell me what you guys want to see and I will make it happen if I can, you know. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video.
Step is to cut out all the pieces you need. Then, using the front part, take your small zipper and place it in the position you want. Draw an outline around the inside part of the zipper, then remove it and darken your lines if needed. Cut a straight line across the rectangle, then you're going to fold over the flaps and glue them down with the hot glue gun. Next, close the zipper as far as you can, then glue it to the opening that you created, adding extra cloth wherever you feel is necessary. In order to make this an actual zipper pouch, add a scrap piece of cloth to the back. Honestly, it doesn't have to be the best shape or whatever because it's inside the bag, so no one will actually see it except you. So just glue around and you're good. Next step is to line up one of the sides, good side facing each other, and then sew it together. I used a simple back and forth stitch. I'm not an avid sewer, so that's kind of like the majority of what I can do, but yeah. After sewing on the side, add the bottom piece, then line it up to the side and the front part and then sew that down, and then after that you add the other side piece and you're good. Now for the straps. My straps are in two parts, a long piece and then a short piece. The short piece is actually 2 times the length it's supposed to be. Yeah. Anyways, to get clean lines, I folded them, then I ironed them flat so that when I sew a straight line through the middle, I don't have to be tucking and folding them down. To make the little circle thing that are normally on bag straps, I just cut a hair tie in 2 and then sew the ends closed. Next, I added the small strap to the side of the bag, making sure that when I put it on the bag, it's facing the inside of the bag or facing the good side of the bag. Then I sew across it a couple times to give it some extra strength. Take the back of the bag and with good side facing up, add a strap of cloth to the top that can act as a loop that you can use to hang the bag with. So I just took this strap of cloth from the belt part. So it's not the belt loop, but it came from that part of the pants. Then taking the two long straps, put them in between the loop and sew them down, making sure that the lengths that hang out are the same length. Next, you're gonna line up all the sides, not signs, as well as the bottom and sew them close. For the top part of the bag, I added the zipper the exact same way as I did before, and then with the zipper half open and facing inside of the bag, I sewed around the sides and closed up the bag. The front part of the bag looks pretty bare, so I used 4 belt loops to create a little hashtag kind of style and glued it to that part. To close the straps, simply loop the long piece through the loopy thing and then sew it closed.